The name of this game is called Panda Pals. I've taken 3 dice from a different game, and we are going to be using addition of 3 digits to uncover our board. As you can see, I've covered our game board here. We have player 1 and player 2. The way that this game works is I'm going to take my die and I'm going to roll them. I have a 2, a 4, and a 2. If I add those together, that's 8. I get to remove my 8. Okay, now it's player 2's turn, and player 2 is going to roll. Player 2 has a 5, a 1, and a 1, which is 7. So player 2 gets to remove their the 7, and so play is going to continue. Okay, that's 10. With me taking a turn, my partner taking a turn. Ooh, that's a big number. So that's 11 plus 4, it's 15. Where's my 15? There's my 15. And I'm going to keep going until I got a 15 also. The first player to uncover all of their markers is going to be the winner. Wow, that's very strange that we keep coming up with the same sort of numbers, huh? Now, that's 11, 14. That goes off here. Hope you guys are, here's go 8. I've already pulled an 8 off, so in this instance, I lose my turn. So we're going to play back and forth until the entire board is cleared off. The first person to take all their markers off the board wins the game.